Welcome. This is part 3 story. So now, if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, I'll give it in the description. You can go and watch that. And now we'll start seeing. So what did we see last? We saw that dog was eager to know more about the cow and its milk. Now, somebody else is also going to join. Shall we see the story? Who's that? This is the script. Okay. Oh, what is this? This is Tomoya. What is Tomoyo doing? She's going and searching something. Can you see? Oh, she's searching. She joined with the dog. Now she met a cow. Cow asked, "Do you know what can we make with milk?" What can we make? Any idea? Yes, here comes the cheese. He said, "I am cheese." So we can cheese, right? This is rich in calcium, says the milk. Then what else it is rich in? What it is useful for? Can we see? I am strong for bones. Milk says it is strong for bone. Tomoyo was very happy. Then cow says, "Do you know who else can give milk? Who else can give milk?" Tomoyo was thinking. Suddenly came a sheep saying, "I give milk." This is also a sheep which also gives milk. Then comes a snowman. He asked, "Do you know who else likes milk?" Yes, this is a kitty. Kitty also likes. Now Tomoyo comes back. We're very happy to listen about the milk. This is a small story to learn about milk. Then she started sleeping. Then we'll see who else is joining to learn. If you want to see more about how to do all these commands, I will add them in the description. We'll see next part of the story in the next video. Thanks for watching.